the convenience of our modern lives comes at the price of our mental and spiritual health. Too often do we find ourselves going from one point to another in an almost endless cycle of work, eating, and a few hours of sleep. It's no wonder that, in recent years, there has been a greater desire to escape the hustle and bustle of city life, seeking refuge in the stillness and gentle flow of nature. At the same time, however, not everyone can easily give up basic comforts and utilities, but one doesn't have to completely give up those amenities for a few days' retreat. Nestled among the leafy alpine landscape of Sawmill settlement at the base of Mt. Buller, Victoria, the Sawmill Treehouse stands as a testament to thoughtful design that harmonizes with nature rather than imposing upon it. This architectural gem offers more than just accommodation. It provides a genuine retreat where visitors can disconnect from digital distractions and reconnect with the natural world. Designer, Robbie J. Walker.